Hey guys, Arie here, and in today's video, we're going to be dissecting one of my favorite Shopify stores, and I believe that you're going to learn a lot. I think this will even be a little bit entertaining for some of you. So the store is called Bombas, and you probably have heard of this store before. They're a Shark Tank brand, and they're valued at $225 million. Now, what's crazy about that is you probably can see it. All they do is they make socks. So this is a sock brand. Now, of course, as you see from the top, they've gotten into underwear and t-shirts as well. But socks is really how they got their edge, and that's how they became what they are today. So how do you get a sock brand to $225 million in valuation? Well, first of all, you drive a ton of traffic to the store. So as you see here, in December, they drove 7.3 million visitors to their site, which is incredible. If you guys don't know, the more traffic you drive to your site, the more pixel data you're collecting for Meta, for TikTok ads, for Google. And this data can then be used for a lot of things, mainly to show people ads or even custom audiences that you can create bigger audiences out of. That may sound complicated if you don't know anything about Facebook ads, and it's not super important. Now you may be thinking socks are pretty simple, right? And they are. But this right here, this little graphic is really what their edge is. And honestly, you could apply something quite similar to any business that you run. So pay attention. So as you see, they say your purchases make a real impact. So one purchase is one donation. So what their big deal was, like the winning offer for them, was every time somebody buys a pair of socks, they donate a pair of socks. Anytime somebody buys a shirt, they donate a shirt. So it's extremely powerful, right? But the cool thing about this from the business standpoint, obviously from a humanitarian standpoint, that's awesome, right? That's great. But from a business standpoint, making socks is super cheap, right? Like making socks costs what, 20 cents, maybe 40 cents at the most, maybe at the most like $1, right? And they're able to sell these at $14, which obviously isn't a lot of money, especially if you know that they are also donating socks to homeless people. That sounds like an amazing cause. And, that's really what gave them their edge. Now, from their landing page design, I do want to say just a little thing. I absolutely love when brands do swatches like this. I think they look so clean. So if you wanted to do something like this on your Shopify store, you can hire a developer to do that. I have a developer on my team at Arie as well. So if you're doing 30K or more a month and you want to work with us, or if you just want some design work done, you can check us out in the link in the description. But similar to what we've seen on a lot of other popular Shopify stores, the design is extremely simple. It's not rocket science. It really is the offer and of course the quality of the product and the positioning that made this brand a massive success. And of course, ads are a big part of that now. So like I was mentioning earlier, they're driving a ton of traffic to their store, and a lot of it does come from ads. So they're doing a lot of influencer collaborations. They're doing a lot of Facebook ads. As you see, they're testing UGC style content. So this is like, what you would see basically on TikTok. But they're also being very consistent on Twitter. They're tweeting a lot. They're very consistent on Facebook, repurposing a lot of content on Facebook. And then of course, Instagram. Now, here's one area of improvement that I think they could be doing better, which is their Pinterest. So they're not doing really anything on Pinterest, which is kind of shocking to me. I mean, they're posting a little bit, but look at how much content they're posting on Instagram Reels. They should be using all of that content on Pinterest, and they would definitely be getting a lot more monthly viewers organically through just doing that alone. And then if you add in YouTube Shorts, then you get to a whole new level in terms of organic reach. And you pair that with a really solid advertising strategy on the paid ads side of things. And that's how we get Bombas socks to $1 billion valuation. Just kidding. But I really admire brands like this, especially, when you're creating a net positive in the world. That's just amazing, right? Like that's really the dream scenario for any business owner, or at least for me. So if anybody from Bombas is watching, hit me up. I would love to work with you guys. And for everyone else watching, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what your opinion is. Let me know if you've heard of this brand. Let me know of other brands you want me to break down that are also interesting and valuable. And yeah, join our Discord if you want to be a part of our community. It's free. And if you want to start your own Shopify store, I got an amazing deal for you right there in the description as well. So check out the description. My cat is starting to meow. I think I got to feed her. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.